Jarvis, you there?
At your service, sir.
You never even hesitated.
Look, it's been a really long day, like Eugene O'Neill long, so how's about we skip to the part where you're useful? We're mad scientists. We're monsters, buddy. We've got to own it. Make a stand.
Lab's all set up, boss.
Oh, actually, he's the boss. I just pay for everything and design everything and make everyone look cooler.
This usually works. Well, performance issues, not uncommon. 1 out of 5.
All right, hey. All right, good job, guys. Let's just not come in tomorrow. Let's just take a day.